Hello everyone, my name is Webster. I'm from South Africa. I would like to thank Saad Ali for the excellent Forex Beginners Academy. I'm sure for about 2 years I've been trying to learn Forex trading unsuccessfully. So only recently, when I was searching about market structure on YouTube, when I came across his lesson 9 on market structure, I've learned a lot in this training. I've learned about support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, exponential moving averages, trend lines, channels, mindset, risk management, candlestick analysis, time frame analysis. I've also learned how to read and analyze price charts on TradingView. Previously, I did not know anything about TradingView. So I'd like to thank Saad Ali for the excellent and wonderful job he has done, and as well as his private Facebook group on which he analyzes the charts that you post each and every time, and he gives you feedback. I recommend anyone to take this course. It's an excellent course. Thank you.